yeah, finally got it done here in Sonora. First time here in Mexico, you know, racing, and it was really cool. A lot of fast tracks, and enjoyed it. So just happy to get the win, and sure my family and everything's happy back home. It's good confidence going into the rest of the season after, you know, having a bad race at Dakar and then missing Abu Dhabi because to heal the elbow up, so we're still not 100% yet, but we're working there. For me, the most difficult part would have been probably opening these 2 days, just focusing all day and making the line for everyone, where today I actually enjoyed just sitting back and looking at some lines in front, and the hardest day was, yeah, just opening these 2 days in the heat and the sun, so yeah, that was the hardest part. Finally, it's been a long time coming since I started rally, so it was, you know, the guys are at the top of the game here, and I came in as the younger rider with no experience, so we've got a few more months, so we do a couple of races in Australia, I think, in Hatta Desert Race, and then that'll be a good lead up for Argentina in August.